Action.
So guys, when you think nurture being, just think of like a one-stop herbal shop, you know, where you can go, you can get your herbs, your skincare herbs, you can get your herbs for your internal care. We have things for the blood, for the heart, for the lungs, for the stomach. We have if you have spotty skin, the skin dehydrated. You see, women, your vagina itch, we have something for you. You have tenderness, when you are overlaid, we have something for you. Hormonal imbalance, we have something for you. Men with the limp dick, we have something for you. Your face bumpy, and you need something to clean up the blood, we have something for you. You know? Your kidney, your liver non-function, we have something for you. Your skin dry and scaly, we have something for you. You don't know what to eat, you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, we have something for you. Same it. So every single thing you can think about, we have something for you. So when you're thinking about complete nutrition in terms of medicinal plant and stuff, just think nurture being. Trust me. Nurture being? Yeah. Our one-stop herb shop.
Yes, sir. So we're about to go and wash ourselves off in the natural spring water. Look at Shorty over here. Trying to get her little 2 seconds to shine. But this is a good. Oh, yeah, we're getting some knowledge already. So as soon as we got here, we couldn't even resist but to talk about these medicinal plants that was all around us. And you see that, man, you're looking at right now? That is the embodiment of herbal knowledge.
Okay, so this right here is the soap bush plant and we are going to eat. A dragon, this look like a mini dragon fruit, guys. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah?
It tastes good, it's sweet.
Will you eat the berry?
Yeah, the berry. So these are the berry. These are the fruit, very good. And this is a natural soap full of saponins. So you know, so it have surfactants in there. We can drink this, Dr. Ben?
Yeah.
What we drink it for?
Nerve problem.
Oh.
And if any herbs that's high in saponin, it's good for the nerves.
Okay.
So this is like
So
a yeah.
So what's that? You should just eat now.
Soap. It's called soap bush fruit.
Same one. Oh, okay.
So this is one here. Why is it like it's good for different?
I did a video on it. It's called One Blow.
Yeah.
One Blow.
Yeah.
So it's featured a lot by the Maroons.
Yeah.
Maroons fear this a lot.
Then fear it? Why?
Because it's used in
The poison?
spirit medicine.
Oh, so it's a spiritual
It's a spiritual plant.
Just like the shema. I real like the shema. Almost every book that I read about ancestral or hoodoo, they all use shema, man.
Yeah, man. So it's a spiritual herb, and this one is edible too.
Yeah, what type of spiritual? Because you have aggressive spiritual.
Well, aggressive. They use it for they claim that they use it to hurt people.
Oh, that's why I say one blow.
One blow.
One shot, I just get knocked.
Yeah, man. So that right. So in the Maroon tradition, I did that whole series on it. In the Maroon culture, if you mess with a Maroon and they want to cripple you or amputate you, your body members, this is a herb that they use.
One blow.
One blow. Yeah, and you know, purple plants that produce purple flower are rich in iron.
Right.
So this.
So the duck plant is very rich in iron.
Yes, and this one too. This is they call this the strongback. Desmodium incarnum.
That's not the redwood strongback.
No, this one is called the scientific name is Desmodium incarnum. They call it these are burrs. It's from the pea family, and it's very good for nerve issues.
Okay.
The nerve issues.
How come I find that plants that are good for the nerves have this? Yeah, they're very mager, and they have like this type of constituency in their buildup. Like it just look how thin.
It has lots of nitrogen. It's a nitrogen-rich plant.
The hair is nitrogen rich.
Yes. Yeah. So right here we have a whole bunch of different plants. This one This leaf here is a leaf of the spirit weed. This is the they call it.
But tell me the name of this one more time.
This one is called they call it strongback.
Strongback. Okay. All right. So strongback right here.
Strongback.
Right.
This one is very good for the liver. This is a general hepatic liver hepatic herb.
And what's the name of this one?
It's called dog tongue.
Dog tongue.
No, this one. No, this one. This one is yeah, it's called oh my gosh. I soon tell her what it's called.
Okay.
I soon tell her what it's called. I don't remember the name of it now.
For the liver.
Nordweed. Nordweed.
Nordweed.
Nordweed.
Nodweed. I know it's nodweed. This is it.
Yeah.
I hear of it first time I see it. First time I see it. You told me about the. You told me about the plant you told me about yesterday.
Which one?
The tree.
For what?
Huh?
What does it do?
The leaf. That's what I want to ask you. The leaf was very citrusy. Up at the campsite.
Oh, that was something button.
Show button.
Show button.
What was that good for?
Oh, that's good for any type of retention, water retention, any type of swelling. That's what the leaves are good for, because it's an astringent herb.
Yeah.
But it's also high in antioxidants and also has lots of vitamins and minerals. So it also boosts the immune system. Those are the two things it's good for.
You can tell that from the smell. The smell is powerful.
Yeah. And this is another good herb again for the back. A lot of Jamaicans would know this herb. If you know this herb, you know this one?
No.
Well, this is called broomweed.
Broomweed.
And it's called broomweed because people tend to pull it out and put them together to sweep the yard. But it's when I say this is one of the best herbs for back pain, yeah, this herb.
Wow.
And then you know this one, right?
Back pain. You know, enough people have back pain, man. And I always tell them about the tuna plant, but
broomweed, very good. Very good for back pain. Used traditionally for years.
So that means it's going to work on those disc issues.
Yeah, and these are edible too.
The little berries on it.
The flowers. No, this one not open. But we normally eat them. Yellow, we eat them.
Okay.
It's also good. It's also good for the nerves because it's has lots of saponin in it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Note you being here, and I just wanted to say that we're actually expanding our healing by trying to set up a healing center, a place where you guys could come in,
learn to eat, learn proper cultural practices for maintaining your health, just learning the correct ritual on how to maintain the home with good health, how to maintain your kids with good health, good herbs, how to eat, when to eat, right?
And you guys can now see the herbs that are going to do the work, where you guys can now learn how to utilize and to even identify the herbs that are going to do the work. So what we're doing is that we're focusing on YouTube as a way to generate these funds. We also ask that you guys subscribe to our Patreon. In our Patreon, we have Herbal Talks, right? We show behind the scene access or content with our vlogs and our videos. We talk history. We talk hidden history. We talk metaphysics. It's a whole university back there in the Patreon. So
I am the Neb Sorcerer Supreme, and this is an emergency broadcast. You see, Humanity indeed is awakening, and many are tapping into their spiritual abilities. But there exists to be opposition. Opposition in the form of global elites, world governments, and the puppet masters who control them. These puppet masters have also placed a hex on your mind. Yes, you have been brainwashed, programmed, and controlled throughout your whole existence. And this goes especially for the black race. You are the race that has suffered immensely. You are the race that has forgotten your identity. Yet, you are the race full of love. You are the race of melanin that continues to smile during the darkest of times. But again, the hex is on your mind, and it is here on the Melanin Matrix channel, where both the black gods of this planet, as well as the other races, shall discover the truths of reality, history, and themselves. Yes, that's right. You will see the signs to your spiritual awakening. You will come across information that were intentionally hidden from the history books. You will learn of sound, frequency, and dark matter energy. You will fully grasp what are secret societies. Now, I leave it to you, my fellow God, to help this channel grow, for we will wake up.
Alright, so I hope you guys appreciated that mini herb walk. You know, we spoke about a lot there, a lot of these medicinal plants that have these medicinal values, and I hope you guys gained from it. You know, you can use that in your own personal lives, right? And as I said, this man here is the living embodiment of ancestral knowledge that survives to this day. And his name is Dr. Ben, right? The infamous. I know you know about Dr. Sabi, but let me introduce you to Dr. Ben. You get me? So I'm really glad that you guys get to experience the knowledge of some of our teachers. And now we're about to go and get this spiritual bath going, you know? Let me show you guys what we're walking into now. We're about to take a spirit bath. Like, we wanted to get the minerals from all of these rocks, all of these plants. You know, we want the essence to like touch our bodies, rinse us off, clear our auric field. So we're about to go take a rinse off in the river. And let me show you guys what we're looking at. It's beautiful. And here we are, deep into the jungles of Portland, Jamaica. And Portland is where there is the best nature, the most integrity of nature, the best of the medicinal plants, and where you're gonna find the most minerally abundant plants. But do y'all see that, man? Now that is beautiful. That's something coming out of a movie. Man, we blessed.
I'll show you, I'll allow you to be there and experience a different part of the river, because we have swimming sections, waterfalls. We have so many sections going up on the hill. But this is our nice little swimming spot.
That's a good spot right there to just them in the waterfall.
Yeah, man. Put your back right there.
Yeah. You ever see those movies where it's like a monk and he just sitting there meditating
Yes.
in the water?
Yes.
And then this is where it gets calm.
Yeah. So when I bring the kids, baby, you can see if they leave them.
Yep. No problem. Look, you can see fishes in the water if you look close enough.
And if we're building, I want sand.
If you look close enough, you can see the fishes in there,
Free sand.
right? So this is what we're gonna go and rinse ourselves off and just clear any like type of negative energy that's on us. It's gonna come right on off, and we're gonna feel really light after this, man. I love coming to the river and just washing off, way more than I even like taking showers at home. This right here is it's the real deal, man. One of my practices that is keep my head healthy, keep my body healthy, keep me youthful, keep me positive, you know. So yeah, this is it. Portland. This is Portland, Jamaica too. Anybody wondering? This is one of our herbal teachers, Dr. Ben, and he teaches a lot of our products. It's because of his knowledge, his influence. He has an institute that you guys could check out. This is the star of the show. Star of the show right here. Anything you like to say, star?
Oh, well, I'm just here admiring. Me love how the fish them are going up with themselves. I wonder if I put my foot in the water, if them are going to bite me.
Nah, they won't.
It's good to go.
But if you stand in the water,
Them are nibble my toe.
they're gonna nibble your toe.
I biggest nibble towards me ever see.
Yeah.
Because the one them are me used to small. And them I want to look like so then go bite off my nail polish.
Yeah, they'll come and nibble your foot.
Yeah.
It's not bad because all the dead skin that's on your foot,
Yeah.
they'll eat it off.
You know this is good business because when I go to Asia, they have this as a business where the tourists will come, they'll put their foot inside and get like a treatment from the fish.
Yeah.
And they're doing big business over there doing this stuff.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So if you stand,
Right in there.
right here,
Eventually they'll catch on to you, huh? That's the man, you know. I make fun of you, I make fun of your toe. That's what she doing.
Money, what you mean?
You say yeah.
You're getting that trouble with that.
That's the man.
yeah.
You ever see them trucks on them big truck on the road?
Yeah.
She said, I saw your toe stay.
Like ginger toe.
Like a Mack truck toe, Kaiser toe. Yeah.
Then you try. Them start come now.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, now you guys see the fish. They're starting to catch on to Dr. Ben's feet, and they're gonna go and they're going to nibble on the dead skin cells on Dr. Ben's feet. So this is essentially it's a spa treatment, a natural spa treatment, you know.
They start eating this foot.
Which one? Let me go over there and show you guys. They started eating his left foot. As bad as that sounds. It's not as bad as it seems. But yeah, they're eating that left foot there. Hold on.
Yeah, just feel like something brushing on your foot.
I'm not sure if you guys see it. I hope you guys see it. But yeah, the fishes are nibbling on his feet. And they're just giving him a nice little spa treatment. Yeah, you said how it feel, Dr. Man?
It just feels a little like something that's touching your foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not painful at all.
No. Very comforting.
Yeah. You guys will love this. You guys will love this. And you just come to the river and then just let the fishes do what they do. They'll be aware of your presence there. Alright, so I'm about to put this down and get inside. Yeah. Sure.
Me I take them warm up. Me I put one toe first. And then
It's cold like that. You have to just jump in.
Oh, it's cold like that?
Yeah, you put in one foot because your body is warm, so you're going to feel cold. So you have to just go in.
Jesus
Mind
Christ.
that.
Me not lie, guys. Me will walk over the river, but me not lie. Me not like cold water, but I want the river vibes. I want the natural water.
Yeah.
But I just feel like we need to wash off some certain stagnant energy right about today.
Yeah.
So, me I just take a river bath and lighten up my spirit. But me I tell you, say, the water come to me because it's cold. It a come.
Y'all. Let me see. Alright, y'all. So, I'm the bravest.
Come on, go on in. Guys,
Nah, it's not that bad. Once you step in, you're good. Once you step in, you're good. And the river stands soft. Oh, did I scare him away? I hope I didn't scare him away. I wanted to show you guys.
Just stand up, man. Just wait.
Alright.
But they're very shy. If people are coming regular to do this,
Yeah.
then they would be rushing.
Right, because the ones in Garden Town, they're not so shy. They rush you. They bum rush you.
it's like they sit down and watch you. I say, one day when you have to pee there. And then just say, we just add your foot go right there so you see them swim up.
Alright. I hope you guys can see this on the camera,
I
man.
think they can see it, man.
Yeah.
And the light is good.
The lighting good, right? So here they are, swimming against the current.
Yeah, that's how me I observe with them.
Yep, to come and nibble on some
Good old flesh.
good old carbonated flesh. Yeah.
Alright, so gotta get into the niceness and now.
Oh, so what you got there, Seth?
I don't know how it goes. So this is a chew stick powder. So this is just basically the chew stick powder with the charcoal.
Uh-huh.
I walk up on my toothbrush. You see?
I know me. You see how she look at me like I sabotage her toothbrush?
What was mistake?
So you say that's chew stick,
Bamboo charcoal.
your natural mouth hygiene product that you got there.
And we highly recommend you go as natural as possible when you're thinking about your oral microbiome. So if you are very involved with fluoride, Mother advise you to just step aside because of how it interferes with the bacteria that are essential to your nitric acid production. So when you use the more natural formulas, they don't interfere that much.
Nitric oxide production.
Huh?
Go on. Good.
Yeah. So when you use the more natural stuff, the supplements in there, them work with your biology.
Right.
So we are going to erode what is necessary for your health.
Right.
So especially if you're a person with high blood pressure, you want to make sure you avoid certain products so your body can find that balance again to produce what is necessary to dilate the vessel.
Right. So guys, I'm gonna tell you what she said in a very, very unscientific, simple way. You guys got a lot of good friends in your mouth that you need for bodily processes. When you use the commercial stuff to clean your mouth, you're getting rid of everything, both good and bad. And so when you use natural stuff, since it's natural and intelligent, it works with your body.
Right.
So then it gets rid of the bad stuff, but what remains is the good stuff that your body needs for vitality, you know? So there she goes, she's using it.
And remember, sir, I don't know if your guys' grandparents did do it like when we get up in the morning, first thing they would tell us drink water before you brush your teeth. Then said drink a cup of water before you brush your teeth. It's the other day we understand the science of why it is important because of how essential the bacteria is to nitric acid production. So
Outside.
nitric oxide. But I keep on I say that. Nitric oxide. Oxide. Yes. So that's so I was telling to man, he said, say mommy always said drink the water first and then brush your teeth, and now I understand why. Because the nitric oxide is produced when you eat certain foods with the nitrate, it attaches to the bacteria, and those bacteria now go down into the gut with the saliva, mix with the stomach acid and produce this gas. It's a gas that really helps to regulate your body's blood pressure.
You wanna know what I find cool? That's how you know we were scientists and chemists back in the day, you know, Dr. Ben.
Yeah.
Because it's in our culture. Proper healthy living is in the practices that we maintain to this very day. We just didn't have like what we did. We did have you know, scientific terms for this element, that element, and do this because it impacts this organ, you know. But you know that information is hidden.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had our scientists back
I
then.
mean, our ancestors, they understood the chemical structure of the compounds, and they understood it within the spiritual context, not just the physical context. But they're able to, and they used to practice what is called metaphysics. Metaphysics. Beyond, right. So, you know, they, in modern science, they separated the spiritual from the physical, and so what we have is only a half of the knowledge, not the full knowledge. They had a full knowledge because they understood how both of the physical and the spiritual work together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's key. That right. Hey guys, let me spin this back around. Hey, you heard what Dr. Ben said? That's key right there. Is that our science was married with spirituality. So on that note, I'm about to rinse myself off, get off any type of bad energies that are attached to me, and just clear my head, man. I'm so happy right now. This is a great day. Until next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Peace. Oh yeah, that feels good, don't it? I feel like a massage, don't it? Oh yeah. Yes sir, you know that feel good. I feel like a massage, don't it?
To let me rock, so when you let me rock your fish, you have to use the next best thing. You not see, you not seeing it, and have to behave on yourself. You not have behavior, okay? You not see it. You not don't play with. Behave on yourself and stop look. Behave on yourself and stop look. Sure.
You guys saw all you're gonna get to see, no more of that. Yes sir.
Yo, this is it.